This is my Tipi Christmas tree. Keep watching to see how I made it.
The first thing to do is to get the structure of the teepee in place. We used a pack of 10 8-foot bamboo sticks from our local garden centre, but you can get similar online. I'll add a list of the things we used along with the links in the video description and article. We knew it could be tricky to get the bamboo sticks to stay in place as we had a slippery, hard wooden floor, so we thought blue tack would be a good idea to fix to the bottom of the sticks to hold them in place. The bamboo sticks came tied in 3 places, so we cut 2 of the ties, leaving one at the top in place. Any string will do if your sticks don't come with some, but I would recommend a grippy type if possible to reduce movement. Position your sticks into 4 corners. You'll want 2 extra sticks at the front for the entrance and the remainder of the sticks for the middle of each side to give it strength. We didn't add the strengthening sticks to start with, so ended up needing to buy and add further sticks on each side. It's important at this stage to wrap elastic string around each of the bamboo sticks. This will allow you to attach the sheet in the next stage. We used a large flat Super King bedsheet. It is important that it's flat and not a fitted sheet. Attaching the sheet was the trickiest part of this project. As you can see, we tried a few different ways of attaching it. We realised it would be easier for me to climb inside a stand-up tall so that we could see the back and sides flowed completely to the floor. When you have found this point, put a safety pin through the centre point where your head is, and then attach that to the top of the teepee with garden wire or one of the garland wire strips if you have them. From this point, work your way up from the floor, fastening the sheet to the elastic string on the bamboo sticks with safety pins. Now it is time for the fun part, adding your garland. For this size, we calculated we'd need at least 10 9-foot garlands. This was just about enough, but I would personally go for 12 next time to get the fuller look. When fitting the garland, the teepee was sliding around the hard floor. Our blue tack idea was not working, so we decided to put the teepee on a spare sheet. This stopped it sliding around and also made it easier for us to move. You'll see we're working from the bottom of the teepee up to the top. Don't do this. I would recommend starting from the top. You can wrap the garland round and around from the top until you get to a point that is big enough for your door opening. You can see that we start going from the top in a moment, and this made it a lot easier and a lot quicker to do. Next time I make this Tipi Christmas tree, there are a few things I would do differently. I would use more spaced out bamboo sticks to give the structure more strength. I would add another 2 garlands, so 12 in total, and also start adding them from the top of the teepee.